Hi guys. So I already primed my eyelid using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the yellow corrector, just because it's lighter and I want my colors to pop. So now I'm going to take the Juvia's Place palette, the Tribe, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Shade. I'm gonna alter parts of my eye. Yeah, so with this whole quarantine thing, for me it's easy to do just because I love being home. I'm in my comfort zone. I think more, I stress less, so I don't have a problem being home, and I get to watch movie and eat a lot of food. So yeah, I don't mind being home. So if you guys didn't already know, I was working because of the coronavirus, I was laid off. Now I was a bit angry about it, but I'm not anymore. I was angry because they laid me off for 120 days. That's almost like 4 months. And I have a little boy. I wouldn't be able to provide for him being laid off, if you get what I'm saying. So that just wasn't going to work. So I resigned and I'm going to start doing YouTube. Seriously, like a video once a week. I'm going to try and see if I can do vlogs, even though you can't really go anywhere. But if I do have something to do, I'll vlog it. And stuff like that. Also, I started up a business. It's actually a partnership. Me and another friend of mine. If you watch my birthday vlog, she was in that vlog. Her name is Michelle. She's just like me. She loves makeup. She has a passion for it. So she was a perfect partner to do this business with. We work very well. She understands me. I understand her. Right? So we are doing a business together. I link it down below. It's on IG. It's online right now because of the whole corona thing. So we're getting stock in place. We're getting things together. So if you guys are interested, you can go on Instagram. It's Crease Beauty Bar _ cosmetics. Yeah, that's the name of it. So but I link it down below, so be sure to check that out. Yeah, so right now we're getting things in place. I'm doing the YouTube channel. I also have a few lashes leave from my lash line. It's basically an old business. I set it up like last year. It's kind of new, but it's kind of old, if you understand what I mean. It's something I got an idea for, and I like it. This is actually one from it. I've had this lash for probably from December. I started wearing it, so my lashes do hold up. With the new business, we're going to have lashes on sale as well. So you can, when we do have stock, you'll know. If you follow us, you'll know about that. So yeah, I'm just here trying to make some moves, trying to better myself. So if you are interested in starting out a business, just go ahead and do it. Do your research. Make sure it's something that you love, because if you don't love it, you can get frustrated and overwhelmed, and if you are, you're not going to put out your best in it. Open up a business is a huge step. It's a huge responsibility, and it takes on a lot of energy. So if you're not mentally prepared for that, you're going to have a lot of problems. Yeah, so back to the tutorial now. I'm going to take which other shadow I had used. Over here I used this, and then I used the I used a dark shade, so which is this one. So I'm going to put that on the outer part. And I must say these palettes are really pigmented. We're going to have these on the page as well for sale. They're on their way, so please make sure you follow us to know when we have stuff in stock. You can DM us. If you already follow me, you can DM me. I link my friend's page down below as well. So just packing this on the outer part of my eye. So now I'm going to use the same color concealer to cut the crease. Yes, I went off camera and cut the crease. It's kind of difficult to do it on camera. I'm not yet a pro, but I will certainly get there. So now I'm going to take this pigment. We got it off Amazon. I don't remember the name. It's just a neon. I don't know if you want to call it neon green or neon yellow. I just know it's a neon color. Yes, you're not going to see it. Yeah, so it's what I use in the inner part of my eye. So I'm going to apply that now. Using these pigments can be a little bit tricky because it can leave your eye looking cracky. Let me just pat down by the crease. Yes, baby, kick the ball. Stay in the living room and kick the ball. I'm going to take this shade. Where's the brushes I used? I'm going to take this shade here and put right in between the dark blue and the green. So now if you can see, it's too much over on the shade, first shade, so I'm going to press it back this side for it to blend out. What I'm doing is blending the two shades together. I didn't put any more pigment on the brush. It's just what was on it I'm using. See? So I'm basically just fusing the two shades together. Good. I'm going to go back in with the orange. Jabari, no noise, baby. Go play. Going back in the outer part with this blue to blend out the edge of the orange. See? Yeah, and the loose pigments are a bit messy, have a lot of fallout, but that, you know, you can wipe away, so that's really minor. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this shade instead. This one, that's Kuba. I want to pronounce it that way. I don't know if this only happens to me, but like when I'm doing the rest of my face, because of the powders, I tend to sneeze a lot or like sound stuffy. Comment below if that happens to you as well. I know my face looks a little bit white. See, when I go back, it's not that. It's the lighting, and then you know how it goes. So my face isn't really ashy or looking white. I promise you, it's not. In real life, it's not. Just kind of come off that way. Yeah, so that's it. Now I'm going to take my mascara from Black Radiance, put on my bottom lash. Oh wait, I have to spray my face first just because I don't want it to run. Taking my Sacha setting spray, spray my face. Yeah. Shouldn't have the fan near me. I was going to put on bottom lashes, but I'm not going to bother. I probably use that for another look. Alright, so I'm going to go over my face with my sponge just because I realized some little spots. It's from the spray. There's some Sacha powder on the sponge, so I'm just going underneath my contour with that to look sharp. Yes. Ooh. going over my brows just because they look a little bit oily at the top. I hope you guys hearing me. I don't know, sometimes I sound like I'm talking too low. Okay. So putting on.
Ooh. I love this mascara. It makes you look like you have lashes. Alright. Now for the glow, lips.
I guess I went off camera and did my glow and my lips. I love this combination. I'm not a fan of pink, but I love this one. Those who know me know I do not like pink and I do not like red. But so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Continue supporting your girl. As always, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload. Again, thank you and see you in the next one. Bye guys.